Your engine is losing power and you don't even realise it. In high performance engines, heat management is critical. When heat escapes from the combustion chamber, it reduces efficiency and power output. Cerakote's thermal barrier technology minimises heat loss, ensuring maximum energy conversion for peak performance. Let's put these pistons to the test and prove how Cerakote controls heat. On average, the Cerakote piston ran 15% cooler on the underside. This means less heat soak, better efficiency and a more durable engine.